In this tutorial video, we'll walk you through the setup process for the CVMS mobile app. Downloading the app from either the Google Play or App Store, launch the app to begin. To add a Clinton Electronics DVR to your list, tap the plus icon located in the screen's top right corner. Next, enter a name for this DVR. Enter the IP address and SMS port number of the DVR. Then, enter the user ID and password for this DVR. Tap the check icon when all the information is entered to save the DVR. If you need to edit any of the information, tap the pencil icon to make revisions or delete the DVR from your list. If you have more than one DVR entered, you can rearrange the DVRs in your list by holding down on a DVR and moving to the desired location. You'll notice that this DVR has a thumbnail preview. Our newly added DVR will automatically get a thumbnail preview upon successful connection. Tap on your new DVR to connect. The viewer will automatically display the max amount of cameras based on the number of channels the DVR has. Right away, you'll notice the search timeline. Gray indicates standard or time recording, and red indicates motion or event recording. To search, scroll up or down on the timeline to quickly scrub through the recorded video. Double tap on a camera to view just that camera. Tap on an event thumbnail to quickly jump to that time. Use two fingers to pinch zoom in to view more detail. Well zoomed in, drag the video to the area you'd like to monitor. Double tap to restore the image to the original size. Tap the up arrow icon at the bottom of the screen to return to live video. Double tap on the camera to return to the multi-view. To change the number of cameras shown, tap the multi-view grid icon and select the desired number of cameras. Tapping on the same number will cycle through the camera views. You can also swipe left or right while in a single camera view to cycle through the cameras. Back up a video to your device, tap the scissor icon. This will display an adjustable length of time to record. Once you've set your desired duration of the backup clip, tap Create. The backup clip will begin to download to your device, as indicated by the progress bar located below the camera view. Depending on the clip's duration, recorded resolution, and connection speeds, this could take several minutes to complete. It's safe to continue to use the app, create additional backups, or connect to other DVRs while the clip is downloading. Once the clip is downloaded, a notification will display. You can opt to view it later, or view it now by tapping Yes. This will open the Video Clips page, where you can view saved clips and clips in progress. More on this later. For applications that use external microphones and speakers, you can listen to the audio from a selected camera by tapping the speaker icon to unmute. Use the controls on your device to increase or decrease the volume. When in live view, tap the microphone icon to talk through an external speaker connected to the DVR using your device's built-in microphone. Tap the red microphone icon to stop speaking. To manage your saved clips, tap the back arrow while in the DVR viewer to return to the home page. Tap the video clips icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see your saved clips and clips in progress. To play a clip, tap the play icon to launch the clip player. Tap the X to exit the player and return to the clips page. Tapping in the info area of the clip allows you to edit the name of the clip. Depending on third-party apps installed on your device, you can share via email, text message, or even apps like Dropbox or Google Drive. If you need further assistance in setting up the CVMS app, feel free to contact a Clinton Electronics technical support representative at 1-800-549-6393 or visit us at clintonelectronics.com.